What is up, boss? SmileyFace Bob here. Welcome back. Actually, I'm coming back from my short hiatus of uploading low tier and low effort content, and I'm here to bring you this brand new series, Baking with Bobs. And saying too much. Leave a like, subscribe, join the squad, and be a Bob, and let's get into this freaking dish, man. I know some of you are asking why a boiled egg. Well, it's quite simple, people. High nutrition and extremely easy to make. So enough with the explanation, let's just get into the preparation and making of this thing. Okay people, before we can bake, boil, or destroy any of the dishes we're about to make, there's an important detail that you're forgetting. Washing your hands, because good hygiene equals good health. So I'm gonna let you do that, and I'll be here with my butterfly knife doing some cool tricks, I guess. Okay, ingredients you'll need for this dish include egg and salt. For the air fryer, you can set the temperature to 120 degrees for a timer of 60 minutes. But for the stove, you can set it to the same temperature, but let it preheat for a bit. But, alright people, now while these things are quickly cooking, I'm gonna tell you some cool facts. Did you know that cows have 3 stomachs? Did you know?
Shut the fuck up!
Alright, cool. This thing just finished cooking. I'm gonna put in some cold water for a bit, let it cool down, and then we're about to chow down on this boiled egg. Alright people, moment of truth. I'm about to try out my beautiful creation. Let's see if I made this boiled egg as perfect as it could be. That was good. That was good. I always love having boiled eggs because it's like super good for like building muscle and stuff. Like I'm busy working out these days, but yeah, overall good dish, 100% will eat again. If you have any suggestions on other level 0 dishes, or even heck a level 1 dish, leave it down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video.